Do you want to say anything?
Oh!
You have the whole world at your fingertips.
Live fast, die young. Biggie does it better.
Oh wow, cool, that's the intro.
We're gonna go tubing now, because apparently it's free for staff in January. So I'm not quite sure who's coming, but we're gonna get down here and we're gonna go tubing, and we're gonna film it somehow, and hopefully not break the camera. Ah, I swore. God damn, cut that out. Not break the camera, because that would be sad, because now I need it to record stuff. But there you go, that's kind of cool.
I think it's just if you're going to tickets.
I'm waiting on
46. I think it's just a discount.
So are you 42 inches high?
Probably, I don't know. How about your stick?
It's a personal question, to be honest. It's not 42 inches.
Are you recording?
Yeah. We're in.
We're going
I didn't know you were videoing this one. I perhaps would have tried to make myself a little bit more presentable, because I look like 90% homeless at the moment.
Tommy, you look
We'll just
Yeah, but
pixelate.
you always look amazing, Angelica.
We'll just
so-
put pixelation here, and it'll just look like you're just, you know.
The what?
Just put a bit of pixelation here.
Yeah.
And then people will not look at your face. They'll be, oh, what's under that?
Use some AI and we all look pretty.
Yeah.
What's the likelihood of getting injured on this?
Quite low, but I mean, I'm padded up to padded,
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet, of course you are.
just in case. You never know. But if you want a video, you can stay here if you want and do a video, and then take are you doing the next one?
One sailor comes, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go.
Do you wanna?
To be fair, I can probably just hold on to you.
Yeah, do you wanna do that?
That's
That works.
easy.
You just hold on to me.
And it's a weird angle.
Yes, you can.
Are we doing
Don't let go,
Oh, yeah,
Jack.
all good, man.
that's
all
not me.
good.
Yeah.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry. We got it.
Ready, go. Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
I don't like it anymore.
We went past the straw.
Go on then. Wave at the camera, Ben. Hello. Spin them like a Beyblade.
Beyblade.
Yeah. And say something cool like "let it rip," and then just.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait for these people.
Yeah, sure.
Do you wanna twist that way? Just see your legs are.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. Alright.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
oh my god.
Good.
Death or glory?
Say something cool.
I love potatoes!
Potatoes! Oh, I don't like it.
Oh, we've got a spin!
Jesus.
Oh, this is very relaxed, but you don't see where you're going.
Oh, vloggers would be fun. Okay, that wasn't as scary as I thought.
Oh no, it's always better.
They have to run at the same point. You join us for the tubing championships.
Okay,
Reinhardt versus Ben.
You guys in.
So just run straight at the camera.
You count. Okay?
Well, when the lady says it's safe.
Yeah, I want to be a
The lady.
You're the lady, yeah.
Alright, hustle, girl.
I don't think you're in the same line. No, like, I think Ben needs to go back.
Yeah. I have to go up a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh, now I'm good?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
He looks like he's falling
He's
off.
nuts.
Maybe again, Grace?
Are you guys racing too? I don't know.
Oh, Ben won.
Alright, just hang tight till there. Oh no, you go hang tight.
Okay.
Go away.
Then we're just gonna go down at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to spin or do you want to go straight?
I'll
Okay,
spin it.
hang tight for one side.
What?
No, I was just saying hang tight till he clears it off.
It's okay, get in, she'll spin you around, yeah?
No.
Just say C.
No.
See? See?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna rock. Let them walk a little bit further. No. They should. When you guys get down, just try to turn to your left, your right. Sorry, as fast as you can.
Oh, sorry,
Right, because
can
if
we...
you go straight like that, I have to wait for them to fully like curve.
Oh, I
Oh
see.
God.
Okay. When you get
Go that way. Go. Go. Keep going.
I'm just gonna stay there, I think. We're all insured if that helps.
I was gonna say, well, work
Yeah.
safe. BC's got you now. Okay, ready?
Okay, we ready, Grace?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna match you.
3,
Okay.
2, 1, go! How's it going, guys? Would we like to spin or do we want to go straight? Or are you going down as well?
Yeah. I can come down. Oh, what is this? Is more that time though, isn't it? I'll go at the end with you, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
No,
what are you doing? I'll tell you when. Okay. No, yeah, you're good, you're good. We got a line? We got a line, okay. Hannah, clear.
You want to say anything to YouTube?
So we just singing on it? Huh?
You want to say anything to YouTube?
Yeah, I can say, you're fine.
No, do you want to say anything?
Oh!
You have the whole world at your fingertips.
Do I need to hold this? If you want to, yeah. If it doesn't flop behind you, it's better. Live fast, die young. Biggie does it better.
Oh wow, cool, that's the intro.
Okay, you guys ready? Yeah. Alright.
Oh, shit.
3, 2, 1, rip!
Yeah.
Damn, you went down for that one.
Oh, don't worry, I won't fall in the hill.
Are you doing the POV when you're down there?
Yeah. That was like, this is smart, and I just booted her down the hill. It's great.
Woo! Alright, you guys are going down?
Yeah.
Alright.
You'll build it first of all.
1 sec.
I'm not crazy, so I'm just going to sit in it.
Alright, I'll sit as well then.
I'll tell you when and I'll count you in, okay? Alright, perfect. You can scooch up a little bit more. 3, 2, 1, woo!
I've got air.
Oh no, it's catching! No!
He beat me in the last 10 yards.
Nice.
It's going to look really good when, because it's so low down to you as you're going, right?
Yeah.
So it's going to be good. I'm just going to like try and warm my hands in this.
I'm so excited.
Fumigating myself. You're okay, you won't be on YouTube, don't worry. Unless you want to be.
Fast.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll reframe it, it won't be on you.
I would be up there. I would swing those people. Like it. I would be like,
Yeah.
just fully like yeet them. Like.
In my hands.
Fucking great.
This is Kieran's one.
Hello.
Are you attached to me?
When you let us go, you
you
have
and
to say
Kieran,
something cool.
Say something cool.
Yeah.
Like what?
I
I don't know, just spin us really fast.
No, don't do that.
Yeah,
Don't
do
do
that.
that.
Do it.
No.
Spin us really fast. Really fast. really fast. Try my best. Yeah.
I'm not done to anyone.
Give us a cool tagline.
Oh, you'll be fine.
That's fine, you'll just fly off. It's
Yeah,
fine.
now we're staying in the bubble.
What's with
This
the...
is good.
Yeah, that's it.
Here too.
200 kilos of pure human.
Okay, guys, have fun, guys.
We're going down the magic carpet.
This is a record.
Oh, that felt a lot faster.
That's great.
Mass, isn't it?
Yeah.
More mass.
Just pure human. Look at that.
Yay!
Wait, guys, was this your last run?
I think yeah, my feet are going to
So
fall off.
keep these tubes for my group.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna.
You know what I realised?
What's that?
See if you're doing that and there's a hard bit of ice and it hits your ass. There's nothing there to protect your ass.
Yeah.
You're literally on the snow.
I was
That's why I wore ass
hovering.
pads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was alright. I thought if we'd have gone a bit further, we could have made it down the magic carpet.
Hit that little hill and just go wee.
I think they're already up. I don't know. Well,
It was fun while it lasted.
It was fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get going.
no, but see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah,
Next time.